Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to cast screen from Realme GT Master Edition to Samsung Smart TV. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and on your TV, enter screen mirroring function. Then, on your smartphone, swipe down notification bar, extend it, and search for screen mirroring. Enter it. And now, connect with your TV. As you can see, now both devices are connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.